NEET important MCQ questions from the chapter Biodiversity and Conservation. The Earth Summit held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992 was called option B for conservation of biodiversity and sustainable utilization of its benefits. Next question. All of the following are included in ex situ conservation except option B sacred groves. Which one of the following is related to ex situ conservation of threatened animals and plants? Option A wildlife safari parks. The region of Biosphere Reserve, which is legally protected and where no human activity is allowed, is known as option A core zone. How many hotspots of biodiversity in the world have been identified till date by Norman Myers? Option A 34. Cryopreservation of gametes of threatened species in viable and fertile condition can be referred to as option D advanced ex situ conservation of biodiversity. In which of the following both pairs have correct combination? Option C in situ conservation, national park, ex situ conservation, botanical garden. The species confined to a particular region and not found elsewhere is named as option B endemic. An example of ex situ conservation is option C seed bank. Next question. Which one of the following is not used for ex situ plant conservation? Option D shifting cultivation. Which one of the following areas in India is a hotspot of biodiversity? Option A Western Ghats. Next question. Indian rhinoceros is a natural inhabitant of which of the Indian state? Option C Assam. Chipko movement was launched for protection of option B forest. Tiger is not a resident in which of the following national park? Option C Gir. Which one is not observed in biodiversity hotspot? Option A less interspecific competition. World Summit on Sustainable Development was held in option A South Africa. Which one is odd combination of habitat and particular animal? Option D. Which one is currently matched? Option A Rhinoceros Kaziranga National Park. Which one is a hotspot of biodiversity? Option B Western Ghats. Biodiversity Act of India was passed by Parliament in option D 2002. An important function of botanical garden is option C. They allow ex situ conservation of germplasm. In your opinion, what is the most effective way to conserve the plant diversity of an area? Option A. By creating biosphere reserve. What is a keystone species? Option D. A species which makes up only a small proportion of the total biomass of a community. It has a huge impact on the community's organization and survival. Viable material of endangered species can be preserved by option A gene bank. Best method to preserve the wild relatives of plants option A by growing them in natural habitats. Next question. Identify the correct matched pairs. Option D Kasaranga elephant. Identify the correct match between Tiger Reserve and its state. Option A Manas and Manas Assam. Which of the following is the matching pair of a sanctuary and its main protected wild animal? Option B Gir lion.